Yo, yo, yo. Greetings, family. What's going on? It's Cornez, the Too Smart to Be Broke. I want to thank you for coming to the channel today. If it's your first time here, I'm normally talking about making money online, business credit, cryptocurrencies, and a few other things like that. But today, I'm going to keep it really short, sweet, to the point. I'm just going to be sharing some different insights and things that can help you all. And today, I'm going to be talking about an app that you all can download directly from your phone to get up to I think $500 pretty instantly. And you can download it to your phone. You can get it good credit, bad credit, no credit. But what they are basing stuff off of is pretty much your bank activity. When it comes to financial technologies, is one of the most popular ways out now to actually get lines of credit, loans, and different things like that. Does help your credit score and fairly easy to get, but keep in mind there's some interest, and you're going to have to make some payments back. I believe 3 or 4 payments. They divvy it up, and you can select the date, and they're pretty good at you being able to change the date if you need to do it ahead of time. So this could be used to help rebuild your credit, or maybe you need a little something to hold you over and until for a couple of days, couple of weeks, or something like that. And I'm gonna show you down the road how you can use this and partner up with different apps and things, all right, to just keep pretty much cash and credit flowing, so you can be in good standing with the credit bureaus and things like that. With further ado, let's just go ahead and cut to the chase real quick, and I'm gonna share my screen with you all. 1 second here. So here is the app here. You see possiblefinance.com. Financial fairness is possible. This app is available on Google Play and the App Store. This is pretty much what it looks like. You're gonna go in and you're gonna connect to a bank account that pretty much is where you're paying your bills, spending money coming in, money going out. Okay, so use one like that, and right here it shows you. We fight for financial fairness. Borrow up to $500 even with bad credit. We won't check your FICO score because you're more than a number. You can apply, be approved, and receive funds within minutes. All right. So pretty much simple as that. On your Android or your Apple phone, go to the App Store, download it. All right. It ain't gonna hurt you, but look, keep in mind, I'm not giving any financial advice, and anything you do, that's on you. I'm just showing you. One way you can get $500 is to do up to. So it could be 100, could be 200, could be 300, whatever. You might just need some to invest in yourself or whatever. You know what I mean? And it's a good way to help build your credit. So these type of things are out there, and I'll be sharing more of them with you all. Okay, let me change my screen over. Like I said, I'll be sharing more of these things with you all. Some of you may have heard it before, but what I'll do is I'll make sure to put a link to Possible down below if you're interested in getting, up to a few $100 really quick. But be mindful, make sure you're paying the money back, paying it on time. All right. And then when you pay it off, you have the ability to reapply later after that. So it could be a reoccurring thing that you do just so you can keep, adding another thing to your credit to make sure you make on-time payments and so on and so forth, stuff like that. Okay, but this in conjunction with rebuilding your credit and getting starter accounts, secure cards, stuff like that can really help. In the more traditional sense of building credit, it can really help your credit profile starting back up with stuff like that. So y'all make sure to check them out, and I'll see y'all soon. Peace.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Where's the money? I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke.